Hey everyone, welcome to our third stand-up of our capstone project where we are trying to find relation between TBI, aging and dementia. From our last week and up till this point with this wonderful team, we have made almost all the progress needed for this project. Now we are left with only the beautification, all the cosmetic changes. As a deliverable, we are giving a website, we are giving a blog post along with all our code in GitHub. From last week, I'll share an update which is on the model part. We reached accuracy of 25% from random forest classifier in our last stand-up, if you have followed it. Post that, we have got a great feedback and direction from our wonderful instructor, Christina. Now we are using XGB classifier, which works great for small data set. We did some parameter tuning. We did also did some feature selection, and now we have out of 34 features, we have concentrated only on 15 feature, the tests that can be performed on live patients. We have this model added to our website in form of pickle file so that someone can just upload their test result and they can get a probability of whether they'll have dementia or not in future. Sudeep will share more on the website. Over to you, Sudeep.
Thanks, Monk. So as Monk said, that last week was we really worked pretty hard. There are a couple of milestones we achieved. One, the main thing was we successfully deployed our model, in the form of pickle, and I would like to show you that part. So what we are saying, we are asking users to not, they can either drag and drop their CSV file with the data, or they can enter it, and then it will predict the whether you can get the dementia or not. There is one change we want to make it here. Instead of make it dementia or no dementia, we will say the probability. So that's change we need to make, but that's not very difficult. Another thing that we accomplished this last week was successfully completed the parallel plot. So that it's working pretty good at this time with the drag and drop functionality. So I'll say thanks a lot for the team members. We really worked very hard. Thanks a lot. Jen, next to you.
Okay, let me share the blog post here. So last week, work on the blog post. You can see here, we started with the introduction. It's talking about why we did the project, and have some brief introduction of the data set we worked on. Next section is the data overview. We had some analysis on the distribution of different data in the donor information, and also we talked about some background of the terminologies of the data set. So we also have some explanation of the proteins we are interested in analyze. And we did the data analysis on the donor information, and created some visualization to help the analysis. We did the box plot, and it's the Sankey diagrams. And the next is we did data analysis on the protein and pathology information. Next week, we are going to add another section for the model training. And I think we have made such a good progress that we are wrapping up our project for the next week. And we will be excited to finalize all our work for this project.
Thank you, Chen. This is our update in brief. Please feel free to give any feedback, your comments. We are always welcome, and your great ideas. Thank you, everyone.